Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is going to be a different kind of video. I'm going to be vlogging because I'm here at the JW Marriott in Palm Desert, and I'm super excited because I just received the other day Joah's box, and it's so cool because it's perfect timing. I'm on this mini getaway and they sent me their July travel kit box. And they sent me some really cool stuff that I was able to bring to this little mini getaway. So I'm gonna show you guys what I received in the July box of Joah's box.
Hey guys, so I want to show you what came in the Joah's box for the month of July. It is a travel kit, which I was super excited about. I do want to mention that it is a K Beauty subscription box, and this was sent to me complimentary by Joah Box. I'll show you the first item that came in the box, and it is the Auto Classic Real Tonic Smoothing First Toner. The next one is the I'm Sorry for My Skin A-Step Travel Jelly Mask. And I love that it has all of the things that I need, such as a cleansing oil, cleansing foam, body wash, 2-in-1 shampoo, toner, jelly mask, emulsion, and a cream. And I'm not showing you these as a demo here in the video just because this will include me being in the shower, and I'm not going to do that for you guys, but I'm sure you guys know how it works. I love that it does come individually. And I could just tear them, so that's great, perfect for traveling. Next is the Croatia Chic Lock Eyeliner. The next is the Glow Hill Total Solution pads, which are super cute. And finally, the Love Bod Wonderful Body Stick. So now I'm applying the toner on my skin. I love it because it is formulated with 12 handbag herbal extractions. Even the most sensitive skin can use it, as it is low irritant and skin friendly. It will hydrate and revitalize your skin. Next, I'm grabbing one of the Glow Hill pads, and these are super moisturizing. It will deliver a silky feel and moisturize as if you had used one dose of an ampoule. The cotton of the pad is natural and free of FWAs. It will brighten, clear, and moisturize your face. Next, I'm grabbing the Love Bod Wonderful Full Body Stick, and this is a new Korean brand specialized in body skincare. Their motto is love your body, love yourself. The wonderful stick helps firming, lifting, and promotes supple skin, making your skin firm and plump. Next, I'm going to be grabbing the Croatia Chic Lock Eyeliner. And this eyeliner, it's so awesome because I love the applicator. It's so fine, and you can easily create a slim look without fearing it would go away because of sweat or water. It will stay from morning until late at night without smudging, and it is really easy to apply. I really love this eyeliner, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this review on the Joah's box for the month of July. If you guys are interested in learning more or subscribing to the K Beauty subscription box, I'll make sure to link the information down below on the description box. And I'm going to go ahead and insert some clips of my little getaway this weekend. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to make more videos like this when I am away on my mini vacations. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.